Hello everyone, today I will show you how to post GIFs on Threads app. And here's how it is done. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your device. Create a new post. Tap the plus icon, usually at the bottom center, to create a new post. Attach a GIF. Tap the image icon to open your media options. You may see a GIF search bar or an option to search through platforms like GIFs. If available, type in keywords to find a GIF you'd like to post. If there's no direct option to search for GIFs, you can save a GIF to your device and upload it manually. Complete your post. Once you've selected your GIF, you can add a caption, tag people, or adjust other settings for your post. Post it. Tap post to share your GIF with your followers. That is everything you need to know about how to post GIFs on Threads app. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.